Good morning, fam. It's your boy MJ the Troquero. Anywho, we had a delivery right here at this place, but it's closed. It's President's Day, so healthcare places, schools, and all that good stuff, they're closed today. So guess what? We got our first bring back of the day, man. Fuck. So let's continue, man. All right, guys, it looks like this place may be closed as well, man. Shit. I came down the street, the gates were closed. All the work trucks are inside the facility. There's this red car right here, but I'm sure that's a security. It has double gate. It has this one, and then it has another one over there, like in the back. But all the work trucks are there, so let's go see if it's open on the other side. And if it's not, that means it's also gonna be closed. Closed. Well, that's not even an entrance, but still closed. And closed. Yup, see, shipping and receiving. That's the first gate I was telling you guys about, where the security guard is at. Damn, my boy, crazy. Fuck. So I got 3 pallets already in my way for the rest of the deliveries. Man, that makes it even worse, because now I gotta move around and gotta call dispatch now. All right, guys, it's closed. Dispatch said go back to the yard, unload those 4 pallets, and move on. So we're headed back to the yard. All right, we're pulling up to our next delivery, and I already unloaded the freight from the other companies that weren't open, and it's showing that it's this building, but this building looks abandoned. I mean, there's lights inside. We're gonna have to bust the UE. We're gonna have to bust the UE, man. Alright, so it's showing that it's this building. This one is open. Back it up. Vengo a dejar. Sí, es Garmin aquí. Garmin Crew. Yeah, tengo una paleta. ¿De dónde? Viene de Garmin Crew. De Las Vegas. ¿Aquí? Sí, nomás una.
What do you got? Oh,
One pallet, yeah, it's right here.
Oh, this came from Las Vegas?
Las Vegas.
Where should I stand?
Right here.
Hey, Chela. You have camera, you have everything. It's amazing.
Yeah. Just in case I get robbed for good merchandise.
Oh, yeah?
No, I'm just
this
kidding.
is not good anyway. This is just a used socks. You can have some.
Oh, okay.
And your feet might get sweat. It doesn't matter.
I know. Alrighty, man.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you. We in downtown LA, man. We got the hoochie mamas. They active out here, man. So we've been here before. We were here last week. I don't know if you guys remember. But today we are doing a delivery here at this place. There's a lot of traffic. There's a lot of traffic. Everybody that did not go to work is out here trying to get tinted windows, hardcore sound system, something. And we are here, man. It's gonna be here. This one actually. That's where we parked last week. Damn door, man. Right here. Hollywood DJ. Let's quadruple check. We got 582. 582. Yes, sir. I'm not gonna bring down the lift gate because I see they have a forklift. They're trying to fit it in there. DJ stuff, my boy.
Yes, sir.
Delivery?
Delivery? What do you want?
Yes. One pallet.
One pallet? Okay.
Sure, from Sure.
Alright, you need. When you can take that? You want to take it out? Huh? One pallet? Yeah, okay.
¿Va a firmar usted o el señor? Sure. I just need your signature.
10. So you guys have a camera now, huh?
Yeah, but it's just for me though.
Huh?
Is it-
Oh,
it's
you
not-
put it or the company
Yeah.
puts it?
No, me.
Oh. If they say it's missing, you fucking have it on camera.
Right. There you go, man. Thank you.
Have fun.
That's it. We got 2 more. Two more to go, man. On to the next. All right, guys, we are here, but the thing is, the number that I called is no longer in service, and it's inside this building right here. Here we are. Yeah, check if they're even open. All these places have been closed lately, man. I have a delivery. It's a pallet.
Yeah, the freight's closed today.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Thank you. All right, another one that's closed. Damn, that's wild. All right, guys. So the next delivery is actually going to be up in this big ass building, and I've been here before. I do recall the guy guiding me to where the loading dock is at. Right now we're gonna make a right, and I believe there's gonna be like an entrance for trucks inside the building. I really don't recall how it looks over here, but I know it has to do somewhere on this side. No turn on red, my boy. Damn, that fool's a dog. Careful with the cars, careful with the cars. Hey. No me pite, hijo de la verga. No, he's honking at somebody else. All right, let's go. All right. So where was it at, or how did it go? Okay, I remember him telling me go this way, and then I remember him telling me to make a service end. Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Oh shit, I don't. Yes, it is. Yeah. Okay, we made it, guys. We made it. But you know what? Oh yeah. We made it. I was about to say we were supposed to back it in, but no. I remember the dock's right here. There's a security guard here, but I don't know where he's at. But yeah, it's here. Ooh, last one, man. Last delivery. Any overhang? You got the camera. Careful with the surroundings, your surroundings. Camera. Right there. Here we go. There. We made it, y'all. Last delivery. Hey Siri, put a time for 15 minutes. Alright, let's hope they're open. I have a delivery for Weston It's coming from Nestle.
You put it right there.
Right here? Okay. Does the ramp work? Let's see. Ah, you know what? I fucked up. Oh no, no. We good. We Gucci. So let's see, is it this one? It's this one. Yep, it's this one. This one right here is a brain bag. We Gucci, man, let's roll.
We're missing stuff.
Okay, you can just put it down on the paper. Or you want me to take the whole thing back?
Well, hold on. So there's 8 missing.
8 boxes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know how you do it.
Well, normally when there's missing boxes, people normally just write down how many boxes are missing on the thing, and that's pretty much it. But I don't know who's in charge of this. I don't know if you want to call whoever's in charge of that to see if that's okay. Some may want me to take the whole thing back, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Okay, let me ask the boss.
Okay. Yeah, because some places, if there's missing boxes, they'll just write it down on the bill. And sometimes when they're damaged or even missing, they'll refuse it, and I'll just take it back. You know, either way, I mean, I'm not even tripping. You know, I just don't want dude to get in trouble. You know, maybe the boss is picky and he doesn't want it because it's missing boxes. You know, maybe he's cool with it and just write it off and that's it. So let's wait and see. Hi.
Are you been already?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you want to sign?
The bottom half. This one's gonna be yours. There you go, man. Thank you. And that's it, man. We got some pickups to do. And we're here, guys. We were here last week at SanDisk. We're just gonna wait for UPS to get out the way so we can pull up. This one maybe, you know what? I'm gonna park on the other side of the street. All right. Because we actually have vehicles in our way. If I stop, I'm gonna hold traffic, so let's just park right here. Because I gotta bring the lift gate down too, so. And excuse all this mess, guys. All that is whoever drives this damn thing, that's their mess. My things are just this, and this. And my little tool bag. And my water. That's it. And I always carry 2 spare hats. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little items. Everything else is not mine. Let's go. Damn. This place is open. Hopefully they don't have to get out.
Picking up box? Oh,
Yeah.
this one.
How's it going, man?
How's it going, man?
Let's put the lift gate down. Ah, man, don't tell me this thing has a kill switch. There it is. All right, perfect. And today I do have a pallet jack.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, so. Right there. ¿Sí lo puedo sacar?
I think so.
Huh?
You busy today?
So not really. There was like 4 companies that were closed.
Oh, because of the
So-
holiday off.
Yeah.
The next day.
Alrighty, bro. You too. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is the same place from last time where I said this was an in and out. On to the next. LA River, man. The LA River. Is this the Addy? Yup. 210, my boy. Do they have a loading dock? It's my first time here, so I am clueless. Yup, it's right here. Or no, yeah. Okay. So he said to just pull up next to the building. I'm like, all right, but I'm gonna put myself facing that way though. Overhang. Good right there, I guess. All right, let's go.
Dos paletas. Alex.
Dos.
Este es de usted. Este es de los otros.
¿Cómo andamos?
Bien.
Bien, bien. La bodega de allá es diferente. Oh, sí, es la misma, ¿verdad?
Sí, es lo mismo, es una sola bodega.
Ah, ok. Sí, porque dije, ¿será aquí o será la puertita que está allá? Pero el vato que iba saliendo me dijo, allí no hay puente nomás. pues que aquí, pues.
Sí, ajá.
So.
Aquí, normalmente cargamos afuera.
Oh, ok,
Todo
ok.
ahí porque, bueno, aquí está muy corto y aquí en este quedan un poco bajo. Ya nos acostumbramos a cargar afuera.
Ah, ok, ok. Sí, porque me iba a meter aquí y me dice, no, ahí.
Sí,
ah,
sí,
bueno.
¿Tienen las cámaras ya?
No, es para mí nomás.
Oh, pensé,
Sí,
porque
sí, no,
cargar
no,
este,
imagínate.
Oh, está bien.
Mejor busco otro jale.
1 hour later.
So, esta morra está usando el pinche reflejo, es la misma.
Sí, sí.
Sí, es la misma.
Ya está usando
Sí.
la manera como verlo. Pues.
Sí. So, pero sí, I mean,
Sí,
no, está cabrón así. Too much chit chatting, my boy. Oh shit, you know what? Let me open it first. One more. One more and we'll be done. Let me move this real quick. Dale, gracias, compita. That's it, man. On to the next. We got two more. And we're here, guys. I don't know if there's anybody here. The parking lot is completely empty. The gate is open. Remember last time I told you guys about some stairs? I was looking at these. These lead to nowhere. Why would they put these stairs here? That is so weird. Unless that brick wall wasn't there. But yeah, let's go check in. Yeah, it's gonna be closed. Yeah, they're closed. It's called dispatch and move on.